hello hello guys, welcome to on my YouTube channel. In this channel I will discuss about any particular special group. This group name and this called the terrorist. Right now everyone understand this is the very biggest terrorist group in the world, Hamas. What is the Hamas? Hamas is a Iran supported a group. His aim to fight against the Islam opposition. Who will be against Islam? Hamas will attack him. Hamas, but America, Israel, Canada, UN and Britain, some countries accept that Hamas is a terror group. But Iran and some Arab Malik and Palestinians support him that this is the not terror group, this is the humanity and Hamas main plan that how can establish the Palestine is a democratic and self-dependent country. Hamas target Islam against protect Islam, give the protection of the Palestinian. This is not true. When Israel doing the genocide in the Gaza, then Israel doing the genocide, that time Hamas help him and support him. Whoever can do, Hamas do anything for who is the possible for Israel. And but normally if you will be think Hamas in the media, according to media, that Hamas is a terror group, but for proof there is not any evidence that we can say Hamas is a terror group. A terror group, for a terror group we have to show any evidence that this is a terror group. Hamas, there is not doing genocide in Israel, but Israel doing the genocide. Israel is killing in the Gaza Patti at least millions childs and start the genociding in the Gaza, and anyone don't prevent him. America support him, supply the weapons for doing the genocide in the Gaza, but in reality anyone don't speak against him and don't anyone support to be that what is doing America in the Hamas. When Hamas will do anything, so everyone will speak that Hamas is a terror group, attack on the Israeli civilian and target the Israeli military and disturb from this many Israeli killed. But how many is killing in the Hamas and Gaza Patti? Anyone will not speak against Israel because anyone fear from Israel. Israel control to all countries economy. So main plan of the America ki that how I can make the greater Israel. So let's I will go back on the real topic. What is the Hamas? So Hamas is the Islamic alliance group. His target protect to Gaza, and when Gazan citizen feel that I am in trouble, so help in the from Gaza, because Gaza is not only a group. Gaza is a political party in the Gaza. They doing the election by election. Palestinian support to Gaza. Gaza and make the Gaza leader, make the prime minister of the Palestine, and was set up. It was set up at least late 1987. The first time created the Gaza group. His main target to how Palestinians will protect. Some people say that is the strategy of the Iran proxy war. What is the proxy war? When anyone, for example, you and a second person, when I want to kill any other third person, I don't kill self. I make he killed by third person. This is called the proxy war. Proxy war strategy is very famous when Ukraine and Russia were. So Vladimir Putin apply the proxy war strategy. In the proxy war, there is not very shortage. In the very short amount, you can end your terror, end your enemy. If you will be take the help of your personal army, so you have to give money. If anyone will die, so you have to give his family member support and money. This is the very cheap strategy of the war. So everyone use the proxy war strategy. Present time, if you will want, everyone want to increase your proxy war strategy like that. India, China, America and Canada, as well as most powerful country Russia, and present time Iran main focus. Iran is focusing on the proxy war strategy. Iran gradually surrounding to Israel, Gaza Patti, Lebanon and Houthi and many group far against Israeli, and this continue start the war against Gaza. Why this war is started? What is the reason? Some people say this is the political problem, locational problem and area problem. This is a regional war. But I think there is not regional war, this is a religious war. Some Jews claim that Palestinian land in the ancient time was Jewish land. Some Muslim king attack him, and by invader attack and invader occupy to my land. This called right now Muslim is the settled. And but Muslims say this is the my holy area. In this area, pure area, in this area my Prophet Muhammad came for going to for travel heaven to earth. And this the Jerusalem was a very historical land in the Muslim country, in the Muslim history. Everyone say that Jerusalem is a Jewish as well as Muslim, and Christianity is a very important land. This is the center of the all Abrahamic religion. So what is the right? Who is the right? Because you understand there is not three is a true. Will be true any one person. Muslim can be, or Christian or and maybe Christianity. But I think Muslims say right. Not speaking that support to Muslim. My target ki my lecture is not to explain anything. My lecture for information and for English improvement, so that my English can be improved and I can deliver a lecture by this video, by this topic. My target deliver a lecture. By lecture my subscriber, my viewer can watch it, and after watching they can understand what I am speaking and can learn by my lecture. By my lecture many students learning English practice, and this is the main target, English practice. How I will provide to ambience so that you can practice. Not my target ki that I want to enlightening this case, I want to provoke this case so that anyone fight each other. No. So this war start in the since 1947, first time when Hitler was killing all Jews in the gas chamber. This was Nazi was killing to all Jews, because Hitler was understanding that all problems root and reason of the all problem only Jews. They enforce a law that in this law you can kill any Jews. How many Jews you will be killed, Hitler will give you money and support, financial as well as your respect will be, your image will be up and more increase in the Germany. So every Nazi holding and pick up the all Jews and make the hostage and kidnapping and arresting for killing. So Hitler main plan ki that I will kill all Jews in the world because they understand some ki Jews mindset is wrong. They want to control all world because Jews economical become the very powerful. If you will be watch the right now, Jews is the most powerful economical as well as they are a super minded and focused to highly education. But a normal all religious you will be watched, so definitely his focus will not better than Jews. Jews at least 19 to 20 hours spent for 20 years spent for college. Jews become the highly educated. His main target ki that I am less in the world. I am in the little amount in the world available present. So how I will learn more than more so that I can control the all business all the world and media and high power and social media and biggest power invention and science technology so that we can control the all world. I am a better in the world. Everyone, whoever set the mindset that I am better in the world, there is not any competitor to me. Like me, I am better in the world. So this man doing anything in the simplicity to same as it is. For example, if you will understand that I am better, anyone is a and you humiliating anyone, you disgrace anyone, you demeaning anyone, everyone, everybody, then everybody will understand that what is the understand. So first you will be watch his personality, his compare according to your skills. If you will be more educated, then you will be understand anyone become anyone is worse than me, bad than me, comparative me is a. So what was I discussing? I was discussing ki whoever will understand that I am better. When you will be think in the mind, set in the mind. When anyone will settle in your mind that I am better than anyone, then you will be that time. Since that time, you will be start to understand anyone as a beggar, as a demean. You will be insult anyone. You will be insulting anyone. You will be demeaning anyone. You will be watch anyone in the bad eyesight. Because in your mindset, make a plan ki that I am more better than him. Every man is a bad in the front of me. So Hamas is a. I was discussing when anyone understand anything bad, compare in the SST and humiliate. Then anyone understand that I am better, I am a most respectful comparative that the front person man. The standards of self understand that I am very standards, I am more better and I am more skilled comparative compared to the front person man. Then this mindset will be clear, will be created, and this mindset become the very worst. And according to this mindset, you can understand anyone can change your mindset. How you can change your mindset? If you want to change your mindset, you should do a work that you understand that anyone is a human. All human in the world equal same, not some SST, not OBC, not general. Everyone become the same. When you will be think that everyone become the same, everyone happen the same. His value, his quality, his skill, his livelihood, his way of life is a simple, then shame, then you will can remove this mindset and don't believe any rumor ki that I am better, everyone become the worst, everyone happen the worst, everyone happen the bad. In this character only feel evil and badness, and this is the called the arrogance, this called the proud. Everyone understand, general citizen understand, who will be high cost citizen understand I am most educated, I am most powerful, how any other man will speak against me. This is the mindset, wrong mindset. This mindset create the ununity, create the disturbance in the society, and this is the very bad insect to bad culture to destroy the society. From this unity will destroy in the society. If you want to unity, you have to show affinity, love. By love, by lovely character, you can collect the many citizen, many public. For attraction, you have to show, you have to express, you have to show off love. A lovely character can attract anyone, who will be so much so that you can understand that if you have a normal and lovely character, so you can attract animals. Why not can we attract a man? For attract man, you have to show a normal character. So character is a major topic for your progress. So let's go on the your main point. My main point was what is the Hamas. I was explaining about Hamas. So Hamas is an advanced and weapon-less group. This group supports many countries. If you will watch, so there was a many countries to support, but I cannot take the name because I don't know clearly which country support him, whom country support whom, I don't know. In the Middle East there was a many powers. Israel want to establish their power. Israel understand that I am so powerful and I am very much powerful. There is not any computer. Israel in your Israel understand I will destroy to Gaza, because when Hamas attacked to Israeli 5,000 missiles by 5,000 missiles, then Israel understand this is against my pride. I am superpower in the Middle East. I have support of the America, and I have very huge weapons. Established my technology is the more better in the world. My education system is the more better, and Jews is the more better for all the others. Everyone is a slave of the Jews, his mindset. If you will watch Benjamin Netanyahu many times speak in the speech that he was saying, you should kill, we have to destroy Iran. If I will not destroy, then one day Iran will destroy to America as well as Israel, and America to America as well as Israel. This is the only rumor. Main target Benjamin Netanyahu, the president of Israel, his main target ki that how I will target to Israel. But I appreciate Benjamin Netanyahu, and I am appreciating this president of the Israel, because they is a educated and capable and as well as irresponsible. They was a very loyal from your country. So I am favoring him, I am supporting him. But who are doing in the Gaza by Israeli army, this is the wrong. Everyone should speak, because we should have a, a path for speak against terror. But I am speaking against terror. But there was a very problem. There was a very serious problem that how I can understand who is the terror. Some people say that is the terror, but some people say that is not terror. Some people say Israel, whoever doing the genocide in the Gaza, after watching his situation, seemed to that Israel is a terror terrorist. Israeli army is a terrorist. They are killing the childs and by starvation, by medical health, lacks of medical health, and there was a very deficiency of the health and water. Some people killing, some people is killing from quench. And if you will be going the Gaza, you will be watched anywhere there is not any roof is a safe, and everyone in the trouble. Everyone want to that how can support to Gaza. If you watch Gazian asked from and soliciting the help of other countries, all Muslim, mostly target to Muslim countries, but Chinese, Iran, and everyone supporting and sending the foods first, so that any child not killing, don't kill from starvation. There was not education system, right? 90% education system is destroyed in the other. 90% child is facing the starvation. There is not any roof. His parents totally, some family totally destroyed, and childs and kids also parents have killed by Israeli armies. So there is not, I cannot make a decision that Israeli right and Hamas right and Gaza Patti right, and who is the terrorist. Making the decision, this is the very serious problem. And first we should learn about anything. We should understand the all data and watch the some news. After news summarize, after summarizing, I realized that in the Middle East main reason America want to fighting another, fighting Hamas between Israel, so that America can selling the weapons. His main target. When America will sell the weapon, then after some time when America profit will end, then time America will destroy to, America will start against, speak against Israel. Right now Israel give money to America because Israel buying the money, weapons, billions of billions dollar to America, so that Israel can destroy to Gaza, because Israel claims that I will totally destroy Gaza. There will not anyone will save, and anyone roof will be not safe. So, but I will humiliating it, that I am condemning it. This is the wrong, and I am criticizing that why you are killing child. Child is a innocent. They are not any crime. They are not doing any crime. This is the innocent. Please don't. I am stand the childs of the Hamas, childs of the Gaza Patti, but I am not supporting any terror attack, any terrorist. Only my target, why you are killing the ordinary civilian, normal civilian, why you are targeting? This is the wrong. Please support to all childs of the Gaza Patti, and I will pray from the gods that God give a and create the better thoughts, so that Israel understand the serious problem of the Gazan childs. And I will say all public that understand the situation of the Gaza and support to pro-Palestinian as well as Gazan civilian, as well as mostly target for supporting and providing the facilities innocent child. This is the innocent, this is the uncriminal. If you are only target criminal, so I will appreciate, but you are killing childs and ordinary public. This is the wrong. So I think my video duration is completed. This is the sufficient and enough for practice. If you will be watch and listen totally, your practice will be complete. So I will meet in the next video. I hope you will be happy and you will be support to me. Please like my channel so that you realize there is not anything in your eyesight, but your one like and one subscribe for me, there was a very important component ingredient. And after your subscribe and watching videos, my confidence level will be increasing, and I will make the better content. I will upload, I will deliver the better lectures, and I will upload better content on the YouTube, so that you can learn easily and so that you can speak fluent. So I hope you will be happy. I will meet in the next video. Bye friends. Thank you for giving important time for my YouTube channel. Thanks for support me.